Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I am going to walk you through how to use dropship.io, one of the best tools for dropshippers who want to build winning products, monitor competitors and scale faster. Whether you are just starting out or you are already selling, this tool can seriously level up your game. So let's dive right into it. So first let me explain to you that what is dropship.io. So basically, dropship.io is a powerful dropshipping tool that helps you discover winning products, monitor real stores and sales, spy on ad strategies, and track your competitors across platforms like Shopify, eCommerce, and Amazon eBay. So first of all, you have to head over to dropship.io from here and click on start free trial. Here you can see this option. Also you can see this option at the top right corner here. Just tap onto the option start free trial. Now you can sign up using your Google, Apple or email account. I will use Google for convenience. So now let's log into it. Now let's tap continue. So once you are in, you will choose a plan. There are three main basic plans, main options, which has basic, standard and premium. So as you can see, the basic plan, which costs $39 per month, so you can get 20 searches per day, same 10,000 credits for ad spot, 10,000 credits and all these 10 stores, 20 products, 40 products per week, product drops. And on the standard one, you can check out their features, which cost $59 per month. Unlimited searches, okay, like competitor search, product database 225,000 credits, and all this like 50 credits, 30-40 products, full access. And on the premium one, you can see $99 per month, like unlimited searches and all other things like product and competitor searches, 50,000 credits to add spot and add libraries, 50 store for store tracking and all other things. Okay, you can also check out their yearly billing, so it will cost you a little less. I will suggest you, if you want to use it for the long time, for long run, you can go for the yearly billing, which will cost you a little bit lesser. But if you want to just check it out, then you can go with the monthly one. Okay, now let's go back. You can install their dropship.io extension. Just simply tap on to install extension. So wait until the page loads. And also, if you have a Shopify store, you can connect it right away. Just click connect to my Shopify store and install the dropship.io app, and you're good to go. And if you don't have a store yet, don't worry, you can still explore everything else. So you can just simply tap onto the install extension option, and from there you can just go with add to Chrome option. Here you can see this option, add to Chrome. Simply tap onto add to Chrome and the external extension will be starting to download. Wait until the page loads completely. Okay, so as you can see all of this extension, so let me use the dropship.io extension right now. So let me search for products. Where is the dropship.io? Okay, now you can use dropship extension here facebook.com to start finding profitable products. So for example, you can just go to your Facebook and then you can simply log into it. Okay, let me log into my Facebook account right now. Let me log out of this. Right now I'm gonna log into my Facebook account, just simply by tapping on the add account. Okay, um wait, let me add it. Let me delete the previous account. So almost there now. Let me enter the password right here. Wait, let me just delete it. So now let's tap on to login. So there we go, almost here. Now tap on to save. So after logging into Facebook, you just have to keep Facebook open for a few minutes, like 10 to 20 minutes, and you can use this dropship.io extension right here. So let's go, and now simply tap onto auto scroll and show only ads. Now you have to just simply open it for a few minutes, okay? And dropship extension will search all the profitable ads like viral products, which will help you to find a winning products, okay? You can tap on to see collected ads, and if any ads has been collected, you can just see all of them right here, okay? As you can see, for now dropship.io has not found any uh, ads or profitable products, so just keep it open for a few hours, and then you will be able to look up to your profitable products. Dropship.io is really profitable for for the people who want to use the dropshipping. Wants to do dropshipping, they can literally get a profitable product site from here. As you can see, it is loading some products from here. For example, here's was a product which was around 60 euro and 50 cents, okay? Easy. So this is how you can use dropship.io, and if you want to use more updated and advanced features, you can go to pricings and you can just buy one of their pricings. So that was it for today's video. If this video helped you, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below that if this video is helpful for you or not, and what type of video you want to see in the future. So that's it, and as always, goodbye, take care, see you in the next video. Ta-da.